So, isi-sit up na po natin, guys. Today is October 2, 2023. So, available to sit up. Ay, Diyos ko, nanay ko. Ayan. Ayan, na-meet na natin ang ating criteria. Get started. So, meron na po ako nakaset up agad na payout account dahil nga nag-set up na ako dati ng in-stream ads ko. Lang natin. Wow! You're all set! Ay, you're all set. In-stream ads into qualifying. Wala ka, done. Ayan. My God! Wow! The earnings na. So, totoo na talaga. Tingnan natin. My God! Diyos ko, your tools, stars in in-stream ads subscription.